Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss what is Industry 4.0 and what all the issues and benefits of Industry 4.0. So first we will discuss what is Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, also known as Fourth Industrial Revolution, refers to the use of advanced digital technologies in manufacturing industry processes. It combines technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and cloud computing and big data to create smart and automated product systems. In short form, we can tell Industry 4.0 is a combination of IoT, AI, ML, robotics, cloud computing, and big data to create smart and automated product systems. So now we will discuss what all the issues of Industry 4.0. The first issue is high initial cost. To implement Industry 4.0 requires large investment in smart machines, sensors, software, network infrastructure and employee training. This can be difficult and it is very costly for a small and medium sized companies. It means that whenever we are trying to implement Industry 4.0, we need a machines. In Industry 4.0, we are using number of sensors, softwares, actuators, and to operate that we are using the employees. For all these things we need to pay more amount, so it will become a very high initial cost. This is one of the disadvantage or issue of the Industry 4.0. Next one is lack of skilled laborers. Industry 4.0 requires employee with a knowledge of AI, IoT, robotics, data analytics and cyber security. A shortage of skilled professionals can slow down the adoption of these technologies. It means that whenever we are implementing Industry 4.0, we need such a employee that the employee should have the knowledge of AI, IoT, robotics, data analytics, cyber security, sensors, actuator, all the knowledge he should have. So nowadays it is very difficult to get such a skilled laborers. So this is also one of the issue of Industry 4.0. Next one is security risk. Since machines, devices and systems are connected through network, they may become cyber attack or hacking and a data breach. So strong cyber security measures are therefore essential. It means that nowadays all the machines, devices, systems all are connected to networks. So it is very easy to hack that system. To avoid that, we need to have the strong cyber security measure. So this is also one of the issue of Industry 4.0. Next we will go for benefits of Industry 4.0. The first one is increased efficiency. It means that automation in the Industry 4.0 we are using the sensors, actuators and network softwares. It will become the automation and real-time monitoring help industries to reduce manual work, minimize the production delay and improve overall productivity. Next one is enhanced quality. Nowadays in Industry 4.0 we are using AI and machine learning. If any defect detected or error occurs during the production, the company can immediately take care of that defect or error because here we are using the AI and machine learning. The work will be very fast and it will save the time and it will give the quality product also. Next one is greater flexibility. Smart manufacturing system can quickly adapt to changes in a customer demands and support the production of customized products. It means that as per the customer requirement, we can change our production. Next one is improved sustainability. Industry 4.0 technologies help monitor and optimize energy, water, raw material usage. This reduces the waste, lower energy consumption and supports environmentally sustainable manufacturing. It means that by adopting Industry 4.0 technology, we can track how much water is used, how much energy is using, what amount of raw material we are using. Based on that, we can make the perfect plan to get the good efficiency and good product with good quality. So this is also one of the benefits of Industry 4.0. So I hope this will help in your exam. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos.